So we're here today at MWC talking about Intel Foundry and our Foundry offerings. We start off with a look at Intel's process technology, focusing on our latest node, Intel 18A, and a look at our ecosystem with EDA IP design services, cloud, and our US military alliances. We're also looking at the investments that Intel's recently made in the US and in the EU to build a secure and resilient global supply chain. We're also taking a look at some of our advanced packaging technologies here with a look at EMIB and Foveros, as well as discussing our new glass substrates. Intel's chiplet design allows our developers the maximum flexibility in building the designs that they need to support their technology. And to top it all off, everything is supported by Intel's OneAPI open source software, giving developers the flexibility they need to choose the hardware that best fits their needs, all with that support of the open source software. So come visit us at Intel Foundry and let's start building the future together.